In primetime news this evening, Cubans now back home as medical arrangement with Jamaica ends. Tasha Miller cleared in relation to 2008 murder of former JUTC chairman Douglas Chambers, and JLP councillor responds to JLP MP as standoff escalates in central Kingston. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Kalisha Williams. Now there's also sports and sports commentary in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in details right after this break.